Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a featured video on your YouTube channel. So the first thing you need to do, click on your logo avatar right here on the top right and click on YouTube Studio. This will take you to the Creator Studio of your channel. And here on the left panel, scroll down and click on Customization. All right, here you will see the section of the featured video to add on your channel. Okay, so you have two options right here. The first option is the channel trailer, where you want to add a featured video for the viewers who visit your YouTube channel for the first time. Okay, they don't know anything about you, so you want to add a video to introduce them to your channel. Okay, so you click on add next to the channel trailer, and here you can choose any of your videos to add it. Okay, let's say this one, and you can remove it as well by clicking the three dots and click on remove video. And here the second option you have is the featured video for returning subscribers. So for the viewers who are already subscribed to your channel, okay, they can view this video that you will add uh, every time they return back to your channel, okay, on the featured video section. So you click on add as well, okay, and not only you can add your videos, you can add any video on YouTube. Okay, so you switch to any video on YouTube and you search for the video. Okay, you search for it, it will show up, and you choose any video right here and add it, okay, as so, for example. Okay, and if you want to remove it, click on remove video, and that's about it. Okay, so you have these two options. You can add a video for channel trailer and a video for featured video for. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Tune in for the next video. Thanks for watching and take care.